Hey YouTube, I don't know if you can hear me, but I am doing this vlogging challenge where I vlogged for 30 days straight. So this is the first video of it. Where do I go? All the trains are running express today, so I have to do some switching, but I found my train. So yeah, part of this challenge is for the month of July. It's summer 2018 in New York, where I vlog for 30 days straight every day, just even if it's a small video like this, just put it up on YouTube. And yeah, see where that takes us. So enjoy some cinematic footage of the stations in New York. Part of this 30-day vlogging challenge involves just taking small videos like this. Oh, by the way, do you guys remember the big glass queue, the Apple store on 5th Avenue? Yeah, it's back up. It's not running, but it's back up. Look. It's being remodeled. Alrighty. Time to go inside because boy, it's fucking hot. It's so hot, like you're out here for like 2 minutes, you're drenched in sweat. At least it's only like 3 months of it, not like 12 months like I lived in Florida. Then in Honduras. For the past 25 years I've lived in pure hot. For the past 2 years I've only had to deal with it for 3 months. So it's great. And this is the temporary Apple store.
Wait, hold on. I think I might need headphones. Oh, make it old school. I really like making old school.
Alright guys, bye. Thank you for watching. How was your day?
Stressful.
Why was it stressful?
Busy.
Why was it busy?
Why was it busy?
Yeah.
I don't know. People wanted to come to the store today.
And what do you want right now?
Drink.
What else?
Guac and chips.
She wants guac and chips. Chipotle's closed. There's no Chipotle open 24 hours.
Where can I find guac and chips? I really want.
Maybe Mercy Market?
You think they make guac and chips?
Maybe.
Or chips and salsa?
Chips and salsa sounds good. Good night, boss.
How are you, man?
Good, how are you? What was he doing? What was he about to do?
Go to the Apple store?
Get some free Wi-Fi? Mi besito. I'm doing a 30-day vlogging challenge where I vlog for 30 days, so this is part of it. You're gonna be in my vlog?
Yeah.
So shaky though, I need my stabilizer. I need my Osmo. Where are we going?
To get guac and chips?
Guac and chips from where?
You said Mercy Market.
Why don't you call them up, see if
Why
they
don't
have
you
guac-
call them up? You're gonna record the whole, like...
Maybe. I forget you don't have Siri on.
Snooping. We got a snoop.
I'm not snooping. I just saw a lot, like a big ass
Yeah,
smell.
it was a work meal. Clearly, because we looked at it. Did we just miss all there? Did we miss the light?
Did not miss the light. Look at the fruit stand. The cube is down. Beautiful New York. Hey, wait for me. I have to do everything for this woman.
Are you calling them?
Yes,
I don't hear anything.
I can hear.
Hey, good catch.
She won guaps and chips, so we're about to check. Oh, look who it is. Ardo. She won guac and chips.
All right.
Later. ¿Qué tal, primo? Tienen guacs y chips. Guacamole y chips. ¿Cómo dices? Chequea allá. Guacamole. No, no, no. Guacamole hecho. ¿Dónde?
Oh, en el fridge.
¿A dónde?
En the fridge.
Oh, yo.
He's trying to see that they sell it.
Are you pregnant?
No.
Where does he stay?
Keep it here somewhere. Little packs over there.
Oh yeah, they do.
I want fresh guacamole.
Hey,
This is
some moody.